As we're thinking about curriculum modifications, it's really important to clearly differentiate between an accommodation versus a modification, as you will hear these terms used a lot for a child who has an individualized education plan, an IEP, or a 504 plan. And while they sound similar, they serve really different purposes. Accommodation changes how the student learns the material. So the outcome, the student learning outcome, the goal is the same. Okay? Whereas a modification changes what the student is taught or expected to learn. So I'm going to let you take a few minutes to read through these examples of classroom instruction, what an accommodation for classroom test might look like, or another example in gym, music, or art class. So again, think about accommodation. The outcome is the same. It's just the how it is taught is different or learns the material. And modification actually changes the outcome.